Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets with an in-depth review of the new Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. This latest offering from Xiaomi promises to revolutionize your tablet experience with its impressive features and sleek design. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this tab at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. First up, let's talk about the design and dimensions of the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. It measures 278.70 millimeters in height, 191.58 millimeters in width, and has a thickness of just 6.26 millimeters, making it incredibly slim and portable. Despite its slim profile, it packs a punch, weighing in at 590 g. This makes it easy to carry around wherever you go, whether you're commuting to work or lounging at home. Now let's talk about what powers the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. Under the hood, it boasts the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, ensuring smooth and responsive performance for all your tasks and activities. Plus, it comes in two configurations: 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, or 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, you can expect lightning-fast speeds and ample storage space for all your apps, games, and media. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4 is its stunning display. It sports a large 12.4-inch 3K display with a 3:2 aspect ratio, offering crisp and detailed visuals for an immersive viewing experience. With a resolution of 3048 by 2032 and a pixel density of 294 ppi, every image and video comes to life with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. Plus, the display supports a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz with adaptive sync technology, ensuring smooth and fluid animations whether you're scrolling through your social media feed or playing games. Moving on to the camera capabilities of the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4, it doesn't disappoint. On the rear, it features a powerful 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 aperture, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Plus, there's a 2-megapixel depth camera for adding artistic bokeh effects to your shots. On the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture, perfect for video calls and selfies with friends and family. When it comes to battery life, the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4 has you covered. It boasts a massive 10,000 mAh battery, ensuring long hours of usage on a single charge. Plus, it supports 120W hypercharge technology, allowing you to charge the tablet to 100% in just 35 minutes. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or working on important projects, you can trust that the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4 will keep up with your busy lifestyle. Last but not least, let's talk about the operating system of the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. It runs on Xiaomi HyperOS, which is based on Android U. This custom operating system offers a smooth and intuitive user experience, with access to a wide range of apps and services from the Google Play Store. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4 is a powerhouse of a tablet that offers incredible performance, stunning visuals, and long-lasting battery life. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast, a multimedia buff, or a casual user, this tablet has something to offer for everyone. So if you're in the market for a new tablet, be sure to check out the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. You won't be disappointed. And that wraps up our review of the Xiaomi Pad 6S Pro 12.4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.